Well, here we are, made it up to Chicago just a little bit ago. Got our load off already, and wait, let's see what we're going to do, because what we thought we were going to do, it hadn't been set in stone yet, because we're supposed to reload up here in Chicago and go back south to get our reload, and so we can come back up here on Monday. But so far we don't know what we're doing yet, because like I said, our load ain't set in stone, and it's possible we end up doing something different, but who knows. Well, we are, looks like we're loaded up, strapped down, chained down, ready to rock. Let's roll. I'd take one of those for Christmas if anybody wants to buy it for me. ain't too bad. Put a little shine on the wheels and the front battery box. It's a little harder to see on there because it's dark. You got light shining in your face. Let's check this out. There you go. Sitting in the sunset. All nice and pretty like. So for a few years now, I've heard a lot about this product that I found at the chrome shop today. This Bull Snot stuff. And I bought some of the Dash-A-Bull stuff because, well, I work on cleaning the interior on this thing a little bit more at a time. So I have decided I'm going to give this crap a try. See if it actually works. Hope so. Well, the instructions say to just spray and wipe pretty much, so here we go. Well, maybe a little harder to see in the light. I mean, it's dark out. Camera don't like to focus inside. So far, seems like it's done a pretty decent job. Got the doors, got a little bit up on the window, and it kind of streaked it up a little bit. Just took a dry rag, wiped it right off. Yeah, these Bull Snot guys have a whole line of different products that they make for different applications. This is just the only one I've bought so far. So far, I kind of like it as far as way interior goes. You know, it ain't leaving one of them high gloss shines. If I really want that, I'll let you guys know that secret later. But I mean, for right now, just having a nice clean look. You know, it really does a pretty good job. Cleaned up pretty good. Granted, I do wipe things down quite a bit, but I use Armor All wipes. And one thing I noticed with the Armor All wipes is that they leave a bad haze on the gauges, which this stuff didn't leave. So that there alone impresses me. And it actually, I wiped everything down with the Armor All wipes a while ago, and with spraying this on there and wiping it down, it actually made it look cleaner. So I don't know. Looks good to me so far. Is it worth the money? I guess. Armor All wipes cost about the same. So. If you got bridge anxiety, this ain't the bridge for you. This is the Mississippi River, or Ohio River, I should say. Or no, yeah, it's Mississippi. I don't know. It's a bridge. Yeah, this is the Ohio River, and Mississippi is over there. Yeah, this is the Cairo Bridge. Like I said, this is the Ohio River. Mississippi River comes in over there. The bridge going over Mississippi is a little bit skinnier than this one, but a little more sketchy. It just got a see-through floor on it. This, kids, is East Cape Girardeau. Much like East St. Louis, you must never come here. Nothing but a bunch of greasy bars. Old river sure is low. But they're still moving barges up and down. Despite the myth that they aren't. They're moving boats up and down the river for sure. Well, I guess we're done for the week. Till Monday morning, I guess we're gonna roll out and head back to Chicago. But it's Turkey Day, or tomorrow's Turkey Day, so it's all good in the hood. My favorite holiday, eating holiday. Guy likes to eat. Hope we get some good ham this year. Who cares about the turkey? Well, until next time, God bless you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.